The One Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 2026 for Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone on Metro, the Moto G 2026 is worth checking out here. So there is the front there, front and back, very nice looking phone. You guys got your triple camera system, camera for your whole bunch for 5-facing camera. Excuse me, your power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Left side, back, right side there. Typical in the pin turn strip slip stone color there, so it's like a grayish color there. 128 gigabytes of storage. If you're a new customer to Moto, y'all got to get this phone for $9.99. Bringing them to Metro and get this phone for free with a $50 or higher plan with auto pay. The full retail price of the Moto G 2026 is $189.99, so not bad. Features: it has a 50 megapixel quad pixel camera system, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 48 hours of talk time, 27.5 days of standby time, and a 6.7 inch HD plus LCD display that's 1604 by 720 pixels. You have super bright, super smooth 6.7 inch display, super fast performance with MediaTek MT6300 chipset, long lasting 5200 milliamp battery with turbo power charging, multi-dimensional audio with stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos and high-res audio, premium look and feel with vegan leather, waterproof design. It is not waterproof. Scratch resistant, Goldilocks 3. It says, meet the new Moto G 2026, bringing you the best of entertainment and creativity on the phone within reach. Watch your favorite shows on the go, even in sunlight on a super bright, super smooth 6.7 inch 120Hz display. Explore your creativity with breathtaking shots in any light. The 50 megapixel AI powered camera system makes it a snap. With 5G speeds, a super fast processor, and RAM boost, you're unstoppable. Here for the epic win or become a multitasking marvel, power dude day after day with a 5200 mAh battery, then recharge in a flash with turbo power. Plus listen to music and movies on stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. All in a sleek premium design that's built for life's journey. Feel the fun with the new Moto G, right? Specs has a 5200 mAh battery, Type-C charging, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN and AC, dual-band Wi-Fi hotspot obviously, Bluetooth 5.4 NFC, stereo, satellite compatible. This is native satellite compatible, capable. MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, Android 16 on board, 4 GB of RAM, 1 TB of micro SD card expansion. It has 4G LTE and 5G email platforms there. It has wireless emergency alert mobile hotspot frequencies. The Moto G is 6.6 inches height, 3 inches width and 0.3 inches depth. The Moto G weighs 7.2 ounces. What comes in the box is, of course, a Moto G 2026 smartphone, Type-C charging cable, your guides, and your SIM ejection tool. So, you're sending stuff in the box there. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G 2026 is not right in Metro for free if you guys put your number of the Metro and get a $50 or higher plan with auto pay. The full retail price is $189.99. So, not bad for a phone like this. If you're just getting a new number, it's $9.99. So, doesn't matter which way you guys get, it's still worth checking it out. So, yeah, everybody knows what I'm trying. Very special what it is. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. So, let's smile a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.